Hello everyone, today I am going to tell a story of the birth of Lord Krishna. Once upon a time in the village of Mathura, there lived a king named Kans. He was very angry and sinful. He had a sister named Devaki. When his sister Devaki got married to Vasudev, a loud voice heard in the sky, "Kans, your end is near. The eighth son born to Devaki and Vasudev will be an avatar of Vishnu, and you will be end up at his hand." Then Kans got very angry. He locked his sister and Vasudev in the prison and killed each of their children one by one. That is 7. But the time had come for the 8th child. The cloud was thundering and the raining heavily. In the darkness of the night, a son was born to Devaki. Then Vasudev wanted to save his son, so in the heavy rain, he took his baby in the basket and went from Yamuna river to Nand's house. The river was flooded, but as soon as the feet of baby touched the water of river decreased and giving them a way to move forward, and a snake protecting the baby from rain. There Yashoda got a daughter. Vasudev changed his son to Yashoda's daughter and came back to the prison. Kans tried to kill the baby girl, but suddenly she took a avatar of goddess and won Kans because the baby girl was none other than the Maya Devi. From then on, the baby Krishna grew up under the love and shadow of Nand and Yashoda. We are praying for Lord Krishna. Please join your hands and close your eyes and say with Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmate Prantaha Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmate Pranataha Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha.